Hello and welcome to Code FP Academy. This is the last lesson of this course and the last one in this module too, which is ethics, productivity, and career use. In this lesson, we are going to look at building an AI workflow. By completing this lesson, you should be able to understand what an AI workflow is, combine multiple AI tools into one smooth process, apply human judgment to AI output, and create a repeatable system for school or work. All right. So the first thing to look at is what an AI workflow is. When we talk about an AI workflow, it is a step-by-step process where you use one or more AI tools to complete a task efficiently and consistently. So this matters because it helps us to connect tools together, follow a clear process, and this process can be repeated consistently. So here are some key characteristics of a good AI workflow. First is it follows clear steps. That's it's in a logical order, it's repeatable, and is very efficient. So let's look at an example AI workflow that you can try. So you can, let's say we want to create content. So the first step is the idea generation. So the second one is script or content writing. The third one is image creation. Fourth one is design and layout. And the fifth one is publishing. So you should know that each step would build on the previous one. So this is what makes it a workflow, not just random usage. So we will demonstrate this and we know how it works. So before we do that, let's look at human oversight. So when we talk about human oversight, it means you as the human or the one using the AI to stays in control of everything that the AI produces. This is necessary because throughout this lesson, we've seen that AI can make mistakes, give outdated information, and misinterpret our requests. So, what must we always do? The first is we review the outputs that we get from the AI. We check everything the AI generates and check if it makes sense. The second thing is to correct mistakes. That is, we fix errors and we adjust unclear parts. The third is to add personal touch. That is, we include our own ideas, we adjust the tone and style, and also we make it unique. So sometimes the output that we get from AI are very generic and broad. So after human editing, it becomes very clear, personalized, and relevant. So the AI will create, then we refine it before we can put the content out there. The next thing to look at is repeatable systems. So when we talk about a repeatable system, we are talking about a process that you can use again and again with little effort. So why does this matter? It saves time every week. It reduces decision-making stress, improves consistency, and then increases productivity. So if you remember in the previous lesson, We looked at how to, or we use Claude to generate some emails for a 4 week timeline. We can say it helped us to save the time which will be used to write those emails, and then it improved the consistency and productivity. Get it? So how do we build a repeatable EA system? First, we save the prompts that we use. So instead of rewriting prompts every time, we save the best ones, then we reuse and improve them. We create templates. That's the second thing to know. So we can create an email template, a report template, or a social media post structure. So we have these templates. So when it's time for us to work with them, we just pick whatever we want to do, go to the templates, we edit it, then have the content out there. The next thing is to document your steps. So the workflow can be like this. You generate the idea, you write the content, you generate image, you design, then you publish. Here's an example of, let's say, a graphic design or a blog or something. So this will help you to stay organized, teach others, and improve your process. Now, let's look at some examples of workflows in real life. So the first thing we can look at is schoolwork. Second one is content creation. Third one is professional task. And the fourth one is personal productivity. So let's head and combine some of these AI tools and generate a workflow that we can use. Okay, so we will input our prompt, then we try and build something. So what we do is let's say we are social media managers, and we are supposed to get a post out there every day, or let's say 3 days a week. And we are coming to draft a simple workflow that we use. So let's use ChatGPT to do the brainstorming. We would use Copilot to generate our images. We go to Canva, then do some simple designs. We come back to ChatGPT or Claude to generate captions, or we can either use any of them to generate the caption. Then after that, we export the whole plan into a CSV file, then we import it into Google Calendar. Simple as that. So now let's work on it. All right, so we are done. So you can see what we have. So we have the plan, see the weekly themes, and the prompts for the flyers too. Prompts for the flyers too. So let's say we don't have any design background, so we will be using AI to generate all of this. We have the prompt for the flyers too. Then we have our calendar. So we generated two images for day one and day two. So this is for day one. See, this is for day two. It's very flat, but we can just rewrite the prompt and edit it. And this our calendar too. So you can see for day one we have Monday, give us the time 9 to 10, the caption and everything. Tuesday too. So you can just add other people in. They will also see what to do. So you just invite them and add them to the file. So this is a sample workflow that we've just created. All right, so we've seen that AI workflows can turn random usage into structured productivity. And by combining different tools, we can create better results. Human oversight is very essential, and repeatable systems can make us to work faster and easier. And that brings us to the end of the generative AI course. So go out there and make an impact. And thank you for speaking with Code Dev Pay Academy. Code Dev Pay Academy, learn, build, and